Alright, let's see if I can get this shit to work while I'm recording it. Right now, I am using the microphone built into my webcam. I'm like, wow, microphones are built into webcams now. That's how out of touch of stuff I am. Yes, OneDrive, I know I'm out of memory. Go away. Okay. Made it go away. Put this thing in. I want to put my knee on a big safety pin. It's wrong end. That's what she said. Okay. Isn't that good? Just didn't hear any click or anything. Trying to change this.
Hello. Testing. Hello. It looks like I can't even hear myself. So I don't know if it's working. Oh, it's definitely working when I bump it. I have no idea what it sounds like. Yeah. So there's me testing out this pig hog cord with my Fine Tank 2 microphone and my Zoom V3 vocal processor. On my shitty $20, no, they were $10 on Amazon. Weird bat demon webcams. And the software to capture it free. OBS Studio. This concludes my test, motherfuckers.